Hey, I'm Steve Mignonti here at SEMA Central with Richard Baverstock, CEO of Mogul and the inventor and creator of Glide. What is Glide?
So Glide is a predictive cruise control that uses hill and terrain information about where you're going to adjust the speed and acceleration, giving you better fuel economy as you're going over hills.
Okay, now predictive cruise control, I'm assuming this is something that runs your car for you, and what is the key benefit to this?
So the key benefit is really, as you're going up the hill, for example, it's going to let this car slow down, speed up on the downhill, reducing the engine load so we can actually give you better fuel economy. If you're running an electric vehicle, we can give you better range.
Yeah. So basically, I can plug your unit into my car, and it will help my vehicle get better fuel economy than I could do with my right foot.
Yeah, it'll actually help you be more consistent as well.
Yeah.
And that's where the key differentiator is, because a lot of people try to do this by hand.
Yeah.
They find that sometimes it works, sometimes it doesn't. We've taken that out of the equation and automated it for you.
So it's hyper-miling without driver input. Now, a question I have, how does Glide know your route, the route you take to work every day? Do you guys go out there and check that beforehand, or how does that work?
Right, so we compile our own map database and terrain information, and then we have a GPS unit on the device that lets us know where we are. So we can just correlate where you are, what road you're on, and do our optimization that way.
That's fascinating. Now, I have to say, in some parts of the country, cell phone and other services aren't so great, hilly areas, rural areas. Does this work anywhere?
That's right. So there's a key, one of the key design decisions we made was to make it work without cell network connectivity, so that you can use it wherever, because our big use case is in hills, in mountains, and often you don't have any reception.
Interesting. Now, I got to say, I drive a bunch of different cars. They range from a smart car to a '63 Dodge Dart. What kind of car does this system work best in? And what does it not work in?
We're targeting post-2008 vehicles in the U.S. with drive-by-wire systems.
Okay, so it has to be a modern electronic vehicle, so owners of Boss 302 Mustangs from 1970 need not apply. And of course, they're probably not worried about fuel economy anyway.
Correct, yes.
So, well, what does it mean to you to be a member or an inductee of the Launchpad? You haven't learned yet if you're going to be the winner, but what's it like to be part of that whole thing, the Launchpad, the SEMA Launchpad for entrepreneurial people like yourself?
Well, Launchpad has been great. There's been a lot of learning opportunities, both from the other Launchpad contestants, as well as from the industry. So we were able to get mentorship sessions, work with people at SEMA, and really, for someone who's not from the automotive industry to start with, it really opened my eyes to what the possibilities are and how the industry works.
Adrian, you mentioned you're not from the auto industry. How did you zero in on this product?
So the company I used to work at before did develop some products that went into the automotive industry. And looking at what was happening with smart vehicle technology, it wasn't addressing one of my pain points, which was fuel economy. As I was a commuter, I owned an electric vehicle, had range issues. So I saw the opportunity to improve things, and now we're here.
Yeah. What would a win mean to you and your company on the Launchpad? What would winning that mean?
It would just be a great opportunity to get the word out there about our product, as well as develop distributor channels, partnerships with other companies in the industry.
And what is your daily driver?
Basically a commuter, a fleet driver.
Yeah.
So if you're a commercial fleet operator or a commercial fleet driver, you know that fuel costs are your second largest marginal cost.
Yeah.
So high impact, high fuel expenses are really our target market.
I know that right now gasoline is fairly inexpensive, but I'm sure that we can't bank on that.
Right.
Yeah. What's next for Mogul Incorporated?
So we've actually joined the Jaguar Land Rover Tech Incubator up in Portland, and we're developing connected vehicle technology now that'll integrate into the cruise control.
All right. Well, that's Richard Baverstock, a SEMA Launchpad finalist. Good luck on that.
Thank you.
And how can our viewers learn more about you and your company?
So if you can stop by our kiosk over in the Performance Pavilion, that would be awesome. We can tell you a bit more about the product, show you some demo videos, or if you want to visit our website at mogulinc.com, we have the same information available there.
Yeah, well, thanks, Richard, for being with us, and good luck on that SEMA Launchpad finalist. I'm rooting for you.
Thank you.